The Palace of Fine Arts in San Francisco stands as one of the most remarkable architectural legacies of the 1915 Panama-Pacific International Exposition. Designed by Bernard Maybeck, the structure was originally created as part of a grand World's Fair celebrating the completion of the Panama Canal. The palace served as a quiet retreat where visitors could escape the crowded fairgrounds before viewing art exhibitions. Maybeck's design drew inspiration from Roman and Greek architecture, particularly Piranesi's etching of the Temple of Minerva Medica in Rome and Arnold Buckland's symbolist painting, Isle of the Dead. The structure features a massive 162-foot-high rotunda surrounded by colonnades and a serene lagoon that mirrors the architecture. The design intentionally evokes a fictional ancient ruin, complete with Bruno Zim's decorative panels representing the struggle for the beautiful and Ulrich Ellerhusen's distinctive weeping women statues atop the colonnade, symbolizing contemplation, wonderment, and meditation. The original palace was constructed using temporary materials, plaster, wood, and staff, a mixture of plaster and burlap-type fiber. Its immense popularity during the exposition led to the formation of the Palace Preservation League, spearheaded by Phoebe Apperson Hearst, while the fair was still ongoing. Between 1915 and 1964, the structure served various purposes, including housing tennis courts during the Great Depression, storing military vehicles during World War II, and functioning as a telephone book distribution center. By the 1950s, the temporary materials had severely deteriorated. In 1964, the original structure was completely demolished, except for the steel framework of the exhibition hall. A comprehensive reconstruction took place between 1964 and 1967, led by Moglen of MacDonald and Kahn, using durable materials like steel and lightweight concrete. The columniated pylons were added in 1973-1974. The palace gained new life as home to the Exploratorium Interactive Museum from 1969 to 2013 and the Palace of Fine Arts Theater. Historical moments occurred within its walls, including the second presidential debate between Gerald Ford and Jimmy Carter in 1976. In 2009, the structure underwent seismic retrofitting and restoration of its lagoons and walkways. Thomas Edison praised the palace's design, declaring, "The architect of that building is a genius. There is not the equal of it anywhere on Earth." This sentiment has endured, as the Palace of Fine Arts remains one of San Francisco's most recognizable landmarks. The structure has appeared in numerous films, including Vertigo, 1958, Bicentennial Man, 1999, and influenced the design of fictional locations like the city of Theed in Star Wars. Episode 1. Today, the Palace of Fine Arts continues to serve as a premier venue for events, weddings, and trade fairs, standing as a testament to architectural vision and preservation efforts that transformed a temporary exhibition hall into a permanent cultural icon of San Francisco.